Okay, abareba KR Media News Center MC Moto nkabutosha arizo twatungaho mugisha twata iso mukuru Dan MVP ukumureba nsakwa tugamba ibintu bingi okucereba kwa ebiri mu industry ya Uganda mu Central ahinguriza Central na Western so nsakwa ntumbuze buzo bingi so oteja matu omanye byo takamanyire ninga so manye bitakufa mu industry byo takumanye Dan MVP twakwakira
mwebare abantu ba KR Media kana boss wanyu ni mwiceruzamu
kuruko mwaka bitu
ni okurike
boss witu no mwiceruzamu nonga
ni mwiceruzamu no muntu wanje
cyafaye cyo kumanya wone kiye
ndinabigambe byo konga no muntu wanje kana we taking initiative aka investing mu kintu eki umwizina go promotinga talent za Western Uganda ni kintu cyamana because nanye MVP ni msobire nduha so mwashangaro other avenues that are available to promote music ya Western Uganda kiba kige cyamana kandi mbasimira kimwe n'abandi bona bari mu kintu cya blogging vlogging ntimwe na mbe monopoly wacyanjena n'abandi babe bariyo kwenda buri omwe ahereze different opinions kurunya kuko kukireba wakireba uwo takwikiriza mu kureba kwa MVP urunda yo okushobora mu ngeri yo kwenda ngo hurure mu ibintu ya so ni mbasima mwena abakora ngo music ya Western Uganda magiteka ama kandi njya advising n'abarebe na boss wa KR Media kinoro hatiya we akaba agent wa campaign wakireba so imwe mube independent obiraro abantu batandika content kongati kabire agent wa campaign ya ruzinga ya so ate ibintu bishimika bitakuzachi kandi kindoreke kuba nuisance mu bantu wacha keep your brand keep your values kurango ikintu cyatambura
Dan MVP nayo ndo tushobore ho abantu abayemba kureba abinje mbakumanya Yesu konkata bakumanya no murumoki tumanya ngo abinje mbamanya ngo yazo mu concert na kushanga Dan MVP ya urabagambe Dan MVP paro kandi ari abantu bakurespecting amunonga bashobora umurumo gwenyini eco kora mu industry
nyo first of all okwiza nizo mu kitini cha Daniel MVP bingi ni bamanyira Facebook because ninya among the first people abatandike kintu cha blogging on Western Uganda. I'm among the first people. I'm not the first, but I'm among the first people. So nimbasa claiming the first kumbe abakundi jari atine ka forward, but I'm among the first people. Wagamba bandze kintu cha blogging wagamba ba DJ Western kagamba nabandi bantu ba Alpha. There were so many people who were there, so I'm among the first people about teaching blogging and no discussing about music ya Western. TikTok pages rekwiza tuino mukintu. Some of us were close to retirement. Twaganyirwe na munongo mu industry. Waje mwe twabikoze tine next tinemu but for the person. So na TikTok akwiza actually TikTok ekayamba abatakumanya kuhandika. Because you can just put a video orugamba ogende okasaving so longa zone umaya kuteka kamera mu misho gawe okunyigana button ya saving okafuna ndisha kakutera caption no tambara but we started blogging omera yo taking a time of writing which needs you to have a sober mind onkata ba TikTok bamwe ni mbamba rwana kora videos shamana na gochiro so ato oreba umuntu na papachi in the story ya okujeka kasa you can schedule content reflecting a time because you need to know what time do your audiences view your content so on scheduling to that appropriate time onkiona nango disigonyi chirokora aza kubyama ndio chango no so that's what TikTok has brought abatakuma kwandika bari kwa TikTok
nabona sha TikTok abamwe just nabatayo bakubona followers atari na makuru mingi kugira ngo na communicating esintu cyaba
yo binenge niko kwa kukirebamo but of course ni naba kugikiriza, but I'm trying to say ito tukatandika mu era ya benetaga ngo muto gube guri sober or taking a time or writing ofune ba proofreader. But TikTok izire kuyamba batakwitaga proofreading so long as yaryaha ikintu cyamutembaho nakora ka video afuno wa musevingira afuno wa muhandikira nabagenda bako yeah notakwara bakuru hano muza press conference okiyo mugambe ngo handikaho na wabajya ngo bahandike izina ry'abari stera ashashurwe nagambiro ndicha timpandikira izina.
So MVP mbe ni following ebintu byawe wazandebere wa commentinga list ya Bebe Cool wayibuza habwenki westerners abishongozi wa Western Uganda batarum ninjira ekiretirwe cyo niki ejo comment abwenki oizire na that mind akuba actually umbantu bumbanze kuremba commentinga kintu ejo here in Western it's you
because niye market leader niye kugamba uri makahoro and everyone follows kugira kinagamba kandi kinde cyo ine kumanya people are saying Bebe Cool's list does not have any impact. Omuntu okukigambe ekyo nari ignorant about music because Bebe Cool is an influential figure wachireba in the country and he commands a huge following.
Yes.
Wachireba on business ya entertainment you need talkability. If you are an artist now you talent or your media business now your music business or tine talkability you in the wrong field. Wachireba so Bebe Cool's annual list calls for talkability omwihanga now ineza hits no ame nabarebe Bebe Cool yaba commenting wachireba if you may not believe in Bebe Cool personally we bangata kumwichirizam but I have to believe the fact that he commands the following. His opinions matter. Yeah, he has engagement on his content. So and every artist would wish to feature on the list. Erarebwe kumi n'abantu bamu commenting. Now what happened? Bebe Cool released the list at the time when we thought Western Uganda ichira Ampex Antico. We didn't have an artist on the list. Wachireba Omega was on the 2023 list with the song This Year. This year, of course, she has already achieved the milestone. We were mentioning from West. It was a claiming ngaba Western Uganda what and what. But this year, Bebe Cool list be havana babusoka acidic vocals. To abusoga. Aberaro. But Western Uganda, where we had Full House Rugogo, Full House University in Tipo,
yes,
and the biggest airplay for songs from the region by radios in Kampala. Because 2024, the mwaka ogo yeshongoro binji bya Western Uganda bitirwa munongo muri Kampala in the central market. But we didn't have a mention. Kana chiri cho ine kuma Bebe Cool by the time Bebe Cool yana compiling a list. It's a team. Bebe Cool is just the face, but there's a team that gathers. Do you think President Museveni ayandicha speech? I never speech writer.
Yeah, speech writers.
We are proofreading at some meeting channels. So Bebe Cool has a team he works with. Compiling aka proofreading kajat maybe chimshitereze chimchikorechi bamusubmit. No, when I was kwata kuyat na saja ataka kakakunda kamtaka mention bamuheza reason, but it's a team of people that sit and compile the list because manjura wakaba face yazo. Wachireba akaba face like how you at KR Media muri umuzina rya KR Media, but there is a huge team behind producing the content. Wachireba for the so Bebe Cool team ye customer ya gathering ebyesongoro babi submittinga yabanjura, but Western Uganda we didn't have. Why?
What gambire actually nzizo naka naikanga akwati beni tekatenga kareje naza kuba ari ya stage beni tekatika ka Omega takakora ki takaruhuka kunjire kureba ni ndeba aho bakapeke ndeba acidic vocals so really tugire ngo westerners go mwaka tukozire kikumara nari
na who would you wish kugira ngo abashime kwa realist
abana bariyo bine talent actually okay I think like for example Courage in a hit song
which hit song
Mugore then last year we saw Forever akweka hitting countrywide that song yeah so he deserve
no do you Forever na Rage
ukabindi yes abindi ko kamba abindi machimangu ni Rage yeah, it's not for Rage it's for Megaton yes
so why should they credit someone whose song is not his
so mbweno nda konka still right now we know that Rage was the face of that song.
That's a challenge. That's where my answer comes in. It's a challenge. Rage was trending on songs which are not his. Because bakama babyo bo bakazaba stama balenga back.
Yes.
They didn't do something extra kuba boosting. Way back and kind of discussing on a Megaton. Because I was on the video shoot here Forever. Akanyeta nazayo. Na mugambira nti yes you worked on the song. No wazo muri America. There's what they call performance rights. Wachireba. Kagambira nti Megaton you should have had an understanding in a Rage. Mukajang every time you perform my song I need also to be earning.
Yes.
Wachireba. Because wakora nka Megaton wa meeting ni ka cost ya audio na video production. That was a cost by Megaton. Rage we akora just appearances. Even there's a bigger story behind that interagambe. But now kagambira Megaton you should enjoy, you should find a way to enjoy from the performance rights. The cheshongo wachireba. So we are some relax. So Rage ya capitalizing on that. Ya shining on the song.
Yes.
Ichitari change. So one of that technical team ya bebe kuri ya ne compiling yaza YouTube channel kashanga cheshongo chitari ha channel ya Rage ya Megaton. Why should they put you on the list? Nyamunyonyi Njaya Kwepo. Nyamunyonyi is owned by Alpha Music na Bruno.
So na yote
TH. Wachireba those are not his songs.
Cheshongo chechuri cyo kugira ngo Rage aka
Rage had one song last year called Falling.
Just
It was Falling. Maybe I could have forgotten na collab because last time he did more collabs akaine ya Ruyonga, aine na ne ya Ziza Bafana. Yeah, but he had one song Falling. Where was Falling? Have you seen any countdown in the country where Falling is? Yeah. So abantu let's be scientific when we are making these discussions. Let's not just rise out of emotions.
Yeah, true.
Wachireba you lay back ukabuza yes Rage akanyine Forever was it his project? Why should they credit him project etari ye?
Iyo nevuze bashegwanire.
Wachireba iwa bachino n'umuntu bamusime kintu kitari cye. Wachireba they would have maybe recognized Megaton but Megaton after Forever he was sleeping.
Relaxed.
He didn't really wachireba. T-Power who had a successful show at University Inn and the hit song Nyamunyonyi, Alpha Management didn't do anything extra to marketing that
song.
No, that success at University Inn. They didn't look for newspapers to write about that success. So that the Kampala market can know. They didn't, because being about Western Uganda, they are looking for generic promotion. Generic promotion ni maisa eje kintu kikubaho abantu bakakunda kintu bakacyetamburiza. There's what they call paid promotion. Uzoro woriya Facebook na woriya let me use Facebook na za X app Twitter. One posting no kugira ngo do you want generic no narrow generic algorithm. Then there's an option for paying to boost your reach for content. So in Western Uganda we failed on that. So if Alpha, because Alpha nechine chimwe nagisima shoku yawire ba MVP baturabamo batusima
abasima
akakasimo tinga karebaga akwa member center bakakora nyingi, but they didn't look for Kampala market promotion through bloggers, through writers, through influencers kurango success ya university ya creating national attention for the brand. People who later did the song na Lydia Jasmine, and now the song is dominating on market ya Kampala.
So when Westerners into bana for them.
No, the challenge need we don't want to invest in paid promotion. We want to relax on ekintu kachetambuze
kastoreba ngucamanywa abantu 30
omaha of over satisfied with that. So that's why we missed on that list. Iyo nko muntu nasako takugichirizamu, but it's a basis for discussion. Yes, and every artist would wish to get that attention, because every blogger, every writer, everyone is talking about the Bebe Cool list. But for you, both kuna rebera a page ya Bebe Cool okora abantu Reggie Kataro. If it's not important, why are you writing wa Chitaro?
Yes,
why are you writing?
Ase nabantu abakujaka nsabindi no bakubanza
kumanya. Benyi barabera no muza fake accounts. Wacha benyi barabera mu na fake accounts postingana. So abantu abakunda music ya Western Uganda last year umeshongozwa nyumukunda kati necheshongo akana atambura amaniki ombiyabandi kuboostinga his relevance wakachikoresaje kubiganyirwamu. Kubiganyirwamu wachireba
wawagambirali Megaton no kutizenta mureba n'umuntu witwira music age twiremu after ndan na wakatandika bana bageji batanja kwano ikaka collab yabo yabandize orahi iki nizeni kirebo mu bishongozi bitu baha kirabuzo okurugaye kwabo kugumire nzikizibu
no le challenge nabo
atendishatse kwantu mureba
ne challenge yabo one no butemanya naisha ati MVP nyamba omuyamba akishikaye ahika kwebo wachireba aenda kuvimba wachireba kabaki atkankubuze last year towards the end Megaton akaya hanikire concert forever concert.
Yes, by the way, I saw that.
Ekaze tina yaje kuziri akenda kureta akavimbo ninyana nanko wakoze na ukishongo ya myangutaro koze na nakora shwa kumwesiga koza tuwenda za kwishongora ba the last aiba mhirire even that kora boy ya forever ikishekera hana park hina Rhino Tavern. Wachire bakayi nabantu 15 abaje n'umushoye wachireba. So bakore byeshongoro ebyo byatira ama radio bayenda kuvimba ikija kuri cyeshongoro na ari umunywana wanje bamwita JB bakore cyeshongoro jya kwa Kabuza na S Murunji. Wachireba I don't want to say nanka go ichari wanje byagambire, but he was a little disappointed. Akaya buza nkamujya nkagambira kare you dealing with crooks abayaji wachireba. For them the money they feel they've arrived wachireba. Kandi chindi ne babura kora partnerships na media platforms wachireba. Bajiranga atenga KR Media yine chivuru.
Yes.
KR Media itanka Megaton wijo performing atinyona mwamtine milioni mutandera. Yet the KR Media niyo ne keeping umbantu. So KR Media chikutekaho switchinga off oburumba nyensi awamara kuri abantu batachikwereza bookings utandika kuja mpona mpora mu nyambe mu ngaruse busi, but you've killed all the time because ogo Megaton ari mu third chance ati omukariya yi third chance wacheba eyo kubanza akari omusaiba akari omunanga akari independent artist ubwaworahi.
Yes
yaruga sini yija under cyberspace kuyamunagire yabura yagaruka under Rocks Entertainment nangwa yenda kuburabura yamara yakora ki yija azo muza gospel
bayidana bankawora
muyamaza akazo mu gospel music obwiro buyabari mu gospel akayine korabo na upcoming wena wambara. It was maybe because of frustration kaine korabo nkarukumi tine mweshongozo nyo muri mbarara atire cyeshongo na Megaton wachireba. So age forever is like mu third life
kana chita yanga mani
waje no emukiza he survived on it but kabere yafuna kunanka he started acting the way abantu binjo bamuruga
tureba dan MVP ko tachobora abantu abinji okutira washoro mu yimbara star kazinyuma yambara toka bagambira ngo cyeshobora ne cyamagato mu bafitiza
man they don't take time to research
yes kasumancho cyikugabe so byo kuri ni byati nabo still tukamanire negato ni abanaza kunisha mu training naza
even maybe I no longer have time kusiba mature people
ndeko no mwana naka vale music ko bakora concerts emirundi ebiri
no ati vale
umwanya nugo gumwe ebironi bimwe amazoba nugo gamwe ngwaine concerts
emirundi ko kubano ora vale music orangwa soba yana akore ibintu bye
musharo umuntu akubari mutasoba yaza kuchikwana anatumanya
aba vale music tumurugo abareke kushishira ubiri we look and discuss another person vale music is no someone to discuss akanyuka muhabure emirundi mingi yandema na murugo
wa mwesasira anyway no gamba chacho ya chiburo cha Omega isi chatire Google
Omega is going to be a success because Omega new artist from Western Uganda okuchiza airplay in the Central Business District. Central Business District ya Kampala nogo mwanya ahagati. When I say Central Business District numuntu kugira ngo Kampala hagati wazo muzara library zo numbidongo Omega Music yene tiro mu streets Kampala wajireba then waza chama radio Omega nwakushizo kutera
so tugire ngo management eri yone etamwa mana go ninga
of course that's the role of management omwesho ngo staine atari kubiyangu ngunaka wona akoma kweshongora management okoro muri gwayo konge kizibate kiryo mu wesamu ati management yeri yo kuronda za selfie wajireba rweja kutambura na yamba favor abantu no kumukunda wajireba onga management yeye yono kuzo kateze bishwari n'umweshongozi kaza kwakira balance wa client ureja kamutuma je no yakire balance but they don't have any strategy so umurimo gwa management that's what it's supposed to do kuranga umweshongozi music ya promotingwa aheta kuterwa yaterwa wachireba that's the role of management wachireba so the challenge in national ya Omega they are dealing with promoter at serious that's the only nobody events that's the only disappointment kana uja nishamu kama ungu atabatomeza because that's the only weak point but the rest Omega nka brand irrelevant muri Kampala abantu nibajukunda but the problem ni nobody events ubwo nobody events yatabatira hansi we nakunda kavuyo
kandi kayakozere cha Luigi chika
no makavuyo kabe karimu if you but then you are not following my status I was updating each and everyone and show ya nobody because akana makavuyo kinchi ejirunya no ati ya nobody akana adiringa bona ona no ejiba kana bingana okurimanganya wachireba njoba kurashinjira
ipana wangu akaine mu issues na no mweshongozi manya
kuya more kwe bakana benda kumwiba bakambe na kwiba nobody nyono but actually nobody yantamire no kumwibizaho nkamwibizaho kuna mwibizo cyo bakwenda kumukora yakwata private conversation yanjye agiteka mu public that's how nobody yantamire ati nawe yamaraze kuri aza YouTube za Kampala aje ngureje kanena ko muri
cyo no mayisa kugira ngo ne
we nakunda no we nakunda entaro to build publicity y'ekintu
sombe ni wakizero mu ntaro
we wachireba we nakunda entaro okubuildinga publicity y'ekintu yet Omega brand kana wano marketing omushiki you should position her como ntari humble
yes
como ntatakunda ntaro como who is going to do a successful show based on good music ebintu byananka ku success ya Rugogo it was not because of maybe Luigi having good music it was kwereka nk'abanyankore binamano muri kampo
yes.
wachireba and that's tribalism. You should not promote music on tribalism wacha promote music
nambuye nyito steterize kuturebe
ati nichela
zikurwa kuri nazo
we should not promote music on that line. Let's ati nenko kuba Wizkid bari misho mu Uganda ngwaba Nigeria tushime ko tureke kuba hagera no promote music on quality or on the existing standard nyo kugira ngo yese cyeshongoro kitira abantu bacukunda katene to supporting so that buri kare buri muntu wena a supporting but people were in rugogo ngabanyankore twina kwereka amani twina kwereka abaganda ngo twina amani. That's what happened at Rugogo last year. So right now we are pushing Omega on quality on umwesongoza kwesongoraji akwesongoraji so that or northern Uganda or western Uganda or central or eastern Uganda or you supporting omusha kwesongoraji not kugira ngo muturugemba aratuze kakasabagana. That was what happened last year at Rugogo. So that's what nobody was promoting, creating a division on bantu kwenda ngo enriching your interest. Yeah, so it nchuta kwenda on 2nd May.
Okay. So abareba KR Media News Center tishonti gendo mission omukuru Dan MVP nko kumwamuhura na nebi abashobere binje mwamutakumanya. So Dan MVP abashongoze ba kampani cyincho batiganisa munonga niki aho kuba entaro zibiri entaro obanu concert obaninka entaro zibiri entaro cyo kubateganisa niki.
Music business etari muntaro is not business.
So now in the business
it's part of the business. Music history entaro no, it's not a stunt. There must be conflict. Abachima omajizi wa Manu na Harano Hassan. That's the conflict that makes business thrive. Wakureba entaro za Notorious B.I.G. na Tupac on US West Coast na East Coast. Every camps have to fight because they are all looking for who in a command.
Yes.
No in a command of business. So ebientaro they are meant to happen. Yushkentaro ya Bebe Cool na Bobby Wine.
Yes.
Wachireba. So all must be there. Western Uganda chituriye nyuma tare mutaro. Intare zero neza vare music na nikiri.
Jokwe na list to missing how close to shiny.
Wachire intare zero no vare music na nikiri ati nikiri na vare music bine audience kuingana chikujango.
Bakuya koko ngoria kebe koko.
Yeah, our to relevant no zero. So there must be conflict.
Okay.
For music to be discussed.
But don't you think ngwete nchija kuita career yabo in future?
No, Mancha niga Notorious B.I.G. tarafire, Tupac tarafire because of those conflicts. So there's loss of life. Abajizi wasana tuwa kufira mbibanda. Manchireba because of fights, because asana bajitera or because barwanu amani. Manchireba so that's meant to happen. That's how it is. Conflicts must climax to those scenarios. Shanga bantu bayita bamwe barwana bimwe bintu byashishikana. Conflicts are meant to be there in music and they will not end. Wachireba wano jika Mavado na Dax Cartel.
Yes.
Zirezo ntaro. Actually na to make a business sense to hunya bateke chifuro parasone alien skin bateko cage
kabya biro ho bamuterori.
Wachireba bateko cage so ebyo mwine kubyemburesinga they must be there.
Which western is stabile tujye turiyabashirire munonga tujye turahamba munonga ito abenshi takurwana ukasanga Dan MVP ngotereka wija amatamo hagata hari
we should not fight. Wachireba I don't support fighting. Wachireba na wano reba nanka. No, conflict can be in words.
Yes.
You don't need to fight with them one. At Kataria press conference ya China Reiji akana interrupting abantu bona wonka kana ronda mushanyara za MVP bachire kuyarebe nagamba because I did my investigations bona baba mustamiro aba mustamaro baje
target
atinyowe had not planned kuija press conference ejo bachire yeah I had no because nkani ndukanye na Israel katukuruga wakanyankore kuri fe kuruga kuri aranje so Israel kajat arona press conference ya China ngitabayiza nyoka yanyebirwe so nyantkanda beho China mayonguchi munije so nyokuzagamba antona kaba mazire bachire but cause kamano like 1 hour nyemerire ndi kuri aro ijya kuinterrupting abandi aro wagireho ngo ni SM Tours and Travel akayeza kachina million emwe regi yaguruka mugambira ati we ati manyire kubiha abantu kwa temitwara 5 gisigaha narumuhereze cash uriya yajya ata esimu yanjye yaho tinaza musindike bayaba first kuyinezi yabira ino yazeza kachina batana yebuzo mweshongo zoba kwikiriza mu muri mbara abakino interjecting no interrupting abantu banu bagamba wakireba so kuna birendi yaho press conference yatura ho bire buringwa nagambira former manager wa Regi bakumwita Ford na yantumeze mvipo muzindaro wacinge press conference ahindere man muhura muki mu ba bloggers mu kibintu tinyona agamba press conference ne kwaci neho ati MVP tumanya byawe uza ko nta so ntayiminga shukurana
okay
shukurana ino muzindaro
ugumuyo
nyo mukora sign ndio kora amaronyete ako na maunaza nkagamba content ni manafuna content kumana so Regi ya customer was go famous na nikiri mwachireba so atkareba nazaho at from the information I got from Nikiri and famous mwachireba so muri yawe no ampira information Regi ya dati ati mvipo byazaho ati kintu channel atanaye kamutegarse kuko akuteganisa ki abandi ngamuteganisa kuko akuteganisa abandi so why had I come to speak first of all kanyine kusima ka China as a former workmate na n'ikindi kumwereka ngo we are behind him as people who used to work with kandi kwena kai actually my role kanyina kumbuza nta planning chapter the concert promoting the comedy industry of Western Uganda so na nejo kanyina kusima ona sponsor wanje wa sponsor ningira show yanje ya 10th October na wakaro so nkanchi ryo mpuriyambo ndakatangiye my submission already ni hagurukire cause ibara yimuka amasimuka akucye no mu speech yanye nkajya amasimuka mwagiyayo tumuri nakabanza nagamba so Regi yamango amashanyarazi yaza gatungiraho because akana ndahara promoting nje cyeshongoro cyekise cyeshuze cya mugore habona ko kufuna tokability cause akayagambire bitakutambara uzama MVP yambuzaho akamwengeginga ikintu kiza kutambara era indeed one of that TikTok footage yanyu niyo yatambure munonga nawe so that's the conflict verbal conflict that is good for the industry not fighting no njokore abakuya Israel yanko atomaraka na kunambaze kweza submission naje na namu kwa atomunga twaje akajya ngunenda kumpiza t-shirt yanje sebo t-shirt yanje
Regi t-shirt ya MVP agenda
aho byo kuragara wamanyire kuragara satakuhereza so t-shirt yanje ningenda sebo anagone enough anabante kibinde kumanya the conflict I have with the OSM is verbal because his team we meet and na boxing den kambine inaitwa beturi kuchiringa kana n'ikindi for the first time Regi cyakozere management ye akajereza show yabusha ekeri katerera so nkambi na boxing day bashemerirwe binemu batine songa bashemirwe namangu hati wara boss yatanika kuyishuka bakozi bakabaheza nabo basho at least no bakazo mu Christmas binemu no tukushangana bashabiriza boss nguni muntu wangu entire so kabahereza show that was good for Regi kurangwa abeshongozi so abakozi bawe wabahayo show no beyiye no bafune ntasa it was good from him
MVP mbareje nogereba ngo Western Uganda yitwa abeshongoza tuventuye kakasa ntumanya tukunda bakutwa hope tukumanga ati nitotoza kushining bagenzi
ko
bashifting baza kampala for example you have my brother JK is a good artist talented genius is the best producer here actually twachenda ninjira ba producer that's ntubara ko mwe babiri she's no longer here ba DJ Vito Alberto is no longer underground Saxoro naona mushongozi wakabizi no longer underground bana bakuyire kampala uvuze buntu burgaye
ngana bagambire ngo search soro is very good actually mean search so soro kumhereza attention Omega and Wam recommending
Omega
I was doing a countdown where artists were giving me their favorite songs so Omega ngambira the song by Search Soro Bachete yanje that's how I got to know about Search Soro so na with DJ Mats yes. So now I was forced to discovering more about him so Nara he has good music Nara ngutakwemanya taine belief nakwiyikirizamo. And maybe people around him are not motivating him. They are diverting him. So such solo, I don't know much about him, but I got to know when good music from listening to it. But for JK's ari arevu yo kushanga ngo mwashimikwa naza ka Kampala to get good competition, improve his skill.
So muri competition
eberi mbara beshongoze munduvu mbara atwano shangwe producer wa mani.
Yes.
Competitor wawe aine offers na akoresa audio recordings zemitware 5 kandi we JK zo kirare yo kushanga no charging imitware 5.
Yes.
Notakukora because umwana akwizo mu studio yawe umugambe mitwara 5 atkandugiro wa producer X yasha mitware 5. So nurango ryo murongo market. That's why you opt to go to Kampala facing a serious competition,
finding a right place
to be in building his career. Bachireba so kana waja ngo setting standard yemitwara 5 ukashanga abana bari bace uraza go to Kampala cause Kampala umwana yije mu studio kamuga ngo nokore mitwara 3 natorokamo namangu tori serious
nagenda
he looks for studio ramugambire za mitwara 5 na million namangu serious.
Yes.
Going to DJ Arbato akata chimatinga na competition yambara cause abana bijuro muri mbara kandi they are willing to work at a subsidized price. But you are Arbato or in a standard. Wachireba?
Yes.
So people in Mbara amabara gambara nibe n'umuntu ratiri. Twako n'umuntu bayatira ki? Uratira wa rendo orijo kamariza afite. So DJ Kampala jata DJ Arbato yaza Kampala finding his class. That's why inatira in major bars in Kampala. So nani Kampala nyine ba Alex Manji we usually check out his night because that's a class.
Yes.
He needs to pray for because yari Kampala no harafune no opportunity yo kuzaheru ngo mambara noza ka ichango bakutwara kaberebere bakutwara bwizibwira ngo ze kutera y'abantu but yari Kampala ichango no funa deal yo kuza South Africa nobere akayagireyo ushange wafuna opportunity in a stampage Uganda to South Africa. So more stamps building his professional career. So Arbato kuza Kampala it is good for his brand growth because Mbarara akaya facing a competition yabana iko reba kwasa kutera nkecheye but at a subsidized price kandi umkamwe nana no muntu ko okumanaging ko so kuba wakubasa kusustaining so Arbato nata kwasa kusustaining amwanya.
Okay. So kwa kanje abashekwa nabo mbekirizo mu kibuga cyabo bakaba nibo bayise.
For how long? For how long? Yeah. Ainekura akarekera abana.
So akashira. So mwene umwana ora story yareba ngo yaka.
Agenda ronde different challenge.
Atamina nahi baraze baza ku.
They are
akapera ese.
They are working.
Natine taradenze.
Broma ino mchai gwe let people try.
Okay, gatukamba naka Bill Bounce akai ne concert azabataka ba na reach by the attended that concert. Abisho abahagize basaba Bill Bounce naka Ray G. Arize Bill Bounce not naka collabo. Niwahamyangu collabo neza kubasika neza kubaho ninga. Just because they akasa ikaba hajuniza koma hivi akomye.
Bill Bounce ine kumanya. Ngure every artist who has done a collab with Reggie has not been successful. Buri mweshongo zo kora ukozeche shongo na Reggie takuba successful. Career yenefa. I'm going to give you examples. Akwanye no muntu nani mpeza submission age. Mpeza example ngo no muntu ajengo aman biased. So Bill Bounce okora na Reggie echeshongo no wita career yawe. 1 Dinita. Echeshongo mbacheta nachira. Where is Dinita? Where is Dinita? Penny Patra. Akakoresha shongo na Reggie. Where is Penny Patra? John. Akakoresha shongo na Reggie. Where is John? Voltage Music. Akakoresha shongo na Reggie. Where is Voltage Music? Joe Steady akakora icyesongo na Reggie. Where's Joe Steady? Megaton akakora icyesongo na Reggie. Where's Megaton now? I'm giving you examples.
Yes,
I'm giving you examples. So, one, is it because we need to study? Is it because kokoreche song on a rage or relaxing? Omangwachi zobra kongera umana gawe komwe songozi. So nkabi bounce. I can't recommend him. Wachile bana nkaba bana nkogo wa Rukundo. Is this Serena Bata?
Serena Bata.
Are?
Kandi naka weka watiro Spice Diana. Kana weka yakozile collab na Reggie.
Akakora afterward Spice. What I'm trying to say, kuba kora na weche shongoro basi ba relaxing.
By relaxing aninga Reggie ne chikumutambura go chita career zabandi.
You think kumanya? I'm not saying that. Actually, me have given you examples. You should do. Hati nugomo gawanya kora research. Mukamanya na watch. Actually, kama na watch. So B Bounce, I would advise him. I would advise him. Ichiri alokora nawe. But she should expect to work more harder.
After that.
But if his dream is to work with Reggie, let him go and work with him. But I've given him examples of people who have worked with him and their careers die.
Okay.
So kana lechini wenko muntu akozirochi
Weka Bill Bounce.
wakozirochi ku building fora una Reggie yakozere nawe mtita kumiyama.
Bill Bounce ni njoro bifudide.
So we agenda kuzevanza akore nawe cyesongoro because atureje tachikora video ya match
Na studios ne mataring.
Wachire echangu naza kusindiko wa Alpha wa Bruno emutwaro nkana onga video yawe kora na Reggie ne tancho milioni 2 yet B Bounce can use that 2 or 3 million to do like 3 projects akaronda nkaba MVP bakamuyamba ku improving his brand abantu bakamumanya.
Okay.
But we anaenda kuvimba muri chikano ngoko wabo
Navugwa muweka.
Watch kore.
Okay, abaleba ke ala media twatwine Dan MVP. Dan tukuhendera program eji kintu cyo cyamuheru. Nanye ndangu twina bishongo za upcomings abokoreba ngo abine potential kureba ngo na promising kugira hi ata western music hale. Nanye ndangu ni okore list yawe hateri zoba. Onkore list yaba potential artists abokoreba ngo business in future. Japan, they are promising.
Is the Laika number 1?
Laika.
Is the Laika? I actually interest you kwenda kwa star. So is the Laika omuntu mheza matu. Any music ni wasa kwetera style eje imumanyirire. But it's a unique style that people should embrace. Number 2, Simon N. Na umuronde he's good at chino ngibacheta my love chini bacheta she Simon N na umheza matu is very good. Simba JK is also good mamheza batu. Then Jojo Bana na walio then Simbira hakati Jojo Bana na Simba JK. I'm disappointed. I'm afunde accident bakurwa musho ya B Bounce wachireba but think arebere mweshongo za established yarogireyo akabasasa. What kind of industry do we have? Kijongo wana maclaiming atwa twakarebe storage
kandi wabaga namba jangwa abanyankore mpekuni
wachireba. So it's a disappointment of industry yitu kushanga kino washongere concern nabo koze nabana bombe yi. So onizo Pretty Mark she's also good. Wangabe yaruga ashoze cheshongoro bangu nindozaho echo nchibingire njye mi MVP ya ikata chidiringa na abana shoze bisongoro bonire wangachure namya nticho chitwara abandi
ndozo ya yanga
wanyete kukorayo. so nawe ashimye kuba serious. She has the potential to be better. So Pretty Mac, it's so good. Then of course Kata Vibes and La Wine.
Yes.
They are the guys who are shooting the most expensive videos and working on expensive audio projects.
Yes.
So mbahereza batu, they are also good guys. Then abandi ba who else Simba Jike namugamba, Jojo Bana namugamba, Kata Vibes and La Wine, Onizono Simon N namugamba, Onizo bamweta enicho songo bachete tara bamweta King Nana. He's also a good artist no bamuhereza amatu. Nagambye songo Rwanda research, make a research uyijoka mbote mvipi bwagamba no bihango abana bino wakafire no. You listen to their work, then you make your opinion from there. Yeah. Don't wasagamba now because I think when nagamba bonjiro baje undi ya promotion nakwirza
ninga wabahereza utushanyarazi tuza kubatega nsecho nacho
naiwara ni nshoma na nimbiyo mutu.
Okay, mwamura Dan MVP ejeni program yitu kandi ya kumanya celeb wawe kufa mu music industry ya Western. Every Friday ntuba turuho kandi KR Media News Center no basakuza mikuti yitu yona no changaho Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, we are everywhere. Just no guma not following kandi ukagumanya top tosha na bakastoma bita bakutagira uzuma nimba sima antine bugarukiro mwebare munonga mwebare gumaho mwebare tusagika. KR Media News Center ne yanyu titu nk'abantu abakoraho kureka ne yanyu muyongere kutereza business tukore nimwe abasigara MC Moto umuhereza wa nkaburije. Bye bye.